called the hinge. So it's quite technical. So we can start simple and build up with different cues, okay? So hinge, feet hip width apart, hip knees ankles, and basically my bum pushes back and I fold over. So if this is the wall, this is the door, this is the hinge. We hinge, yeah? We push the bum that way and everything collapses. So, looks easy, but obviously there's a lot of load going through your back, so we need to protect it. We want to use as many muscles as we can so that we're stronger. We just want to get the most benefit from it. So, let's start from the bottom. As I hinge backwards, I'm going to corkscrew my feet. So, like this here, proud chest, corkscrew my feet now, and up. Corkscrew my feet, and then push through. Corkscrew on the way down, corkscrew on the way up. You like? Yeah? So we're going to corkscrew our feet. If you're not quite getting it, if you're not quite getting it, come on in. So, this is how I coach it in person. Get my trainers, one trainer length away from the wall, and then I corkscrew my feet, I push my bum back so it touches the wall. Knees aren't really bending, you see? Oh! If you're not feeling it in your hamstrings, you're not quite doing it right. Push my bum back so it touches the wall. If that still feels a bit weird, there's an even better way. There's no escape when you do it this way. Same thing, trainers length away from the wall. Proud chest, corkscrew my feet, arms going back. Yeah, so you can see how here, this is a great example of how the bum has to move back to the hinge to occur. So the weight has to transfer backwards. See, my bum starts here and ends up all the way back there. Because no one wants to headbutt a wall, do they? So this is the basic premise of the hinge. Pushing my bum back. Also going to corkscrew my feet on the way down. You've watched a corkscrew my feet video, right? Corkscrew my feet. Then I'm going to spread the floor on the way up. The second half of the corkscrew my feet video. So, corkscrewing on the way down, spreading the floor on the way up. I know, right? It's getting a bit thick with instructions now. One more thing. Squeeze your baguettes. You watched that video as well, right? Good. So, squeeze my baguettes, corkscrew my feet, spread the floor. There's not many muscles that aren't switched on right now. Proud chest, squeeze my baguettes, corkscrew all the way down, push my bum back, spread the floor to get back up. Yeah, look, I'm all puffed up and whatever. That's the whole point. The more muscles I can engage, the more my spine is protected, the more weight I can lift. Hope that all makes sense. If it doesn't, drop me a message.